Hey guys, welcome back to Jack on Tracks and another episode of the Back Shop. And in this episode, we're doing a little N scale. Why? Because I feel like it, and I got a bunch of N scale projects that have been lying around, and I just want to get to them. So this is a Eastern Seaboard model. This is like the legit expression of a mom and pop company. Nice couple out of New Jersey. They make these. The body is cast. Feels a little bit light, but I don't think it'd be an issue. But it's assembled in China, and the couplings and wheel sets, I believe, are micro engineering. Maybe not micro engineering, but there are metal wheels on there. There's a Pennsylvania Railroad well car, and it's a 60-ton well car. So I bought this 2 years ago at the Amherst show, and it's been sitting here. That's how long I've been waiting to get to it. And this is a load that they sell for it. It's a narrow wheel load. So it's a 3D printed load. It actually looks pretty good. So let's get in here and break it out of this stupid structure. Try not to break it because it's a little fragile. I just broke something on it, so. It is a little bit, it is tricky getting these things out sometimes. We'll figure it out. That's why it just cracked another piece, but I hate these things. I like 3D printed stuff, and I'm really getting into them, but man, it's so annoying when something breaks when you're just popping it off of this stuff. This is definitely not coming apart good. There's just no way around this. You just gotta pop stuff off. So this casting is also a couple of years old. So it could be a little bit harder than they were expecting it to be when you take it apart. I've heard that. I'm not a 3D printing guru, so I don't really know. So like that. All right. Well, we got a lot of gluing to do to get this thing back together. I'm not happy about that. And then once I get it all glued together, I gotta sand this down. The car is really nice, but this 3D print, as you can see, not so much. I mean, this thing came apart and was just breaking apart while I was taking it apart. So I'm not that happy with that. You're gonna fix resin, might as well use resin, right? This desk got a little bit out of control recently. All right, so basically, I'm gonna let this set for a little bit, and clean up the rest of it. I mean, there's a lot on here, so I don't want to talk any really bad about it, but this 3D print really just the print is nice. It's the framework that needs to get refined. It was just way too much for this thing. Next time you see this, it'll probably be primed up. This is going to go in a dark, probably a dark camo primer that I usually shoot the rails with, and then I'm just going to touch up the wheel. All right, guys, so that's pretty much it for now. And when we come back, that'll be primed and ready to go. All right, guys, welcome back. As you can see off camera, I gave this a quick spray down with the Rust-Oleum Camo Brown. It came out pretty good. Got good, decent coverage. I keep forgetting that when you spray this resin, sometimes you really got to give this thing you got to prime it. But that stuff, since it's a flat, it's kind of like a primer. So it worked. All right, this is Tamiya Interior Cockpit Green. I'm thinking it's something similar along the lines of this Interior Gray Green from Model Air. And I'm thinking that's what I like. The yellow, I thought about it. I thought it was just too loud. So we're going to come in here. We're going to paint this up. Hold on, right back. All right, this being on this pole, it's a little hard for me to maneuver. Well, as you can tell, I put this on heavy because I really wanted to do this in one coat. And in all honesty, it looks like I got this all in one coat, which is exactly what I wanted. All right, so it looks pretty good. Covered all around pretty much. You're not going to see it. So we'll let this dry. And then we'll come in here and do a little highlighting on here to make it pop a little bit. All right, guys, we'll be back. Guys, welcome back. And this is all painted, primed. It looks pretty good. We're going to do, I did a little weathering on the trucks. You see me do the truck weathering. Pretty much the same thing. We're going to come over this. We're going to do the same. Just... we're gonna do a little white on this one because I want to highlight. I'm gonna get these edges a little bit. All right. Just kind of toned it down a little bit. I don't know if that works, but that's what they say. You breathe on it. And it sets it. Okay, so now the only issue I have and this is with everybody, that they give you these cool things, but they don't give you a way of keeping these cool things together. Because if I put this in here like this, it doesn't fit in the box. Oh, wait a second, I will it. Plot thickens. If that works, then I'll glue this in and be done with it. It fits in there, but it's wedged in there. That I'm not too happy about. All right, that worked. Okay, so we're gonna glue this in, and we're gonna use the good old canopy glue. All right, so we'll let that dry. I'll come over here, these together, and do the same. Fits in there, and there's just enough space on the top where it's not hitting. And yeah, that's it for this video. It should be pretty quick, this video, so I hope you guys enjoy it. And I really do like, I can't really say enough nice things about this. It's a very nice model, and I really like the fact that it's a mom and pop shop that runs it. And I mean, it's not cheap. This was definitely more money than a micro change, but it's something that you're not going to find, and it's very clean. They had a bunch of other models too, but that's the one that caught my eye. So thanks for watching Jack on Tracks. Like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about this. I really do like to chat back and forth with you guys, and it's fun. I like to see what you guys think. And as always, thanks for watching. Thanks for putting on my shenanigans. As always, I'll catch you later.